How to find your recently watched videos on Facebook on Android. This tutorial shows you how to access your video watch history through your activity log. First, open Facebook on your Android device and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the home screen. After that, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your profile page. From there, tap on Activity Log. At this point, tap on the search icon at the top right corner of the activity log page. In the next step, you will see a list of different categories. Scroll down to find videos you've watched and tap on it. Finally, your full video watch history will now appear, and you can scroll through to find any video you have recently watched on Facebook. And that's it. If this Facebook guide helped you find your recently watched videos, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.